Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Smith.AI. Don't overthink your answers at first. As we get started, we'll learn from our interactions with your clients. We'll actively collaborate with you from day one. Book a free consultation. Learn how Smith.AI can help your business. We'll address your questions about Smith.AI phone receptionists, live chat, or both. Money back guaranteed. To receive your money back, send us your request within 14 days of your subscription date. New clients of Smith.AI can get their money back on starter, basic, pro, and custom plans for 14 days. If you want to cancel your service for any reason in the first 14 days, you get a full refund of your plan and any add-on services, regardless of how many calls or chats you have used, up to $1,000. Any calls or chats over your plan quota, overage, are not included in the money-back guarantee. How long does the money-back guarantee last? 14 days. Starting on the first day of your billing cycle, you have 14 days to notify us via email. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Tell us about your business, budget, and growth goals. We'll build a plan to suit. No IT support. No problem. Easily add us to any phone system or website. Fully experience our phone and chat services based on your custom communication plan. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.